was driving this thing across the country, right? From California, San Diego down here to Jacksonville. You know, these are not known to be very reliable because of not known to be the most reliable thing in the world. Anyway, I wake up in New Mexico. I get up in the morning and it's 20 degrees outside. Start driving, no problem at all. It's really cold in the car. The heat never comes on. The heat never comes on, ever. Like, okay, well the heat broke, that's no problem. Then I stop at a gas station, check the oil and things like that. And I notice that there's a giant oil leak. Go to a shop because while I'm okay at actually wrenching on stuff, I'm horrible at diagnosing it. They tell me this is what it is. An oil filter housing. So it actually goes on the side of the block if you'll notice right here. Freaking there. And you see how wet this is? So my theory is that when it was super cold outside, you know how oil gets really thick?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this really thick oil that this gasket has never been exposed to before, because the car's never been cold, actually burst the seal and that's kind of what it was.
Oh no.
Yeah, this is it wasn't that bad, I still drove it here. But this is the old one. If this is our block, right? This goes on the side of the block, then you sandwich the oil cooler right here in this spot with a giant nut, and on here you have the actual oil filter. You go like this. Alright, is it sort of in there? Where's my pick? Actually, my screwdriver. Alright, so you see how it's behind there? Yeah. So you start with the little crush washer, then the actual banjo, and then the banjo bolt. Alright.
Sweet.
Dude, we just rocking right along. That is sick.
Oh, I see it's hard to work on Euro cars.
It's definitely harder, dude, but this is one of the better ones because look how much space there is.
You have more room.
It's a tiny motor in a fairly sizable car. Okay, so now we're gonna go in the cross pattern and try to torque these down a bit. I mean, obviously this job is 10 times easier if you take the intake off. But I mean, that's another 2 hours probably, if not more.
Yeah.
I don't know anyone that would want to take this off if you don't have to. So, I kind of struggled with that a little bit last night, so just a swivel on the 13 millimeter. This is super helpful as well. I think this is a number, this is an 8 mil hex key. Perfect for that banjo right there.
Yeah, I think that